Greetings and welcome to Education and More's Learn Python 3 Programming at a Snail's Pace. My name is Marcus Gardner and I'll be the instructor for this course. In today's video, we're doing lesson 0. How to do these lessons. Okay, now for the first part, I've got 11 lessons and then I've got a test. So what I'm going to do is talk about how to do these lessons just in case you're having problems. Okay? All right, so what do we need to do? First off, my YouTube page. Now I've got a bit.ly here to make it easier to find, but you may not need this. You probably already have my YouTube page. Just in case the bit.ly doesn't work, this is the entire length of the page. Hopefully later, after I get a lot of subscribers, I'll be able to get a custom channel. All right, so there you'll see my actual lessons. Lessons 1 to 11 to begin with. Don't worry, there's going to be lots more. Okay? Hundreds. All right. So go through the lessons. Make sure you can understand everything I'm talking about. And then make sure you go to the homework page, the class information page. There's going to be a lot of downloads, one for each class, that will go over the material I covered and plus give you some homework to do. Do as much of the homework as you can, preferably all of it. If you have questions, ask questions, but don't give the solutions out on the YouTube page, okay? Again, for example, when students go to these top universities, they don't expect you to be great at everything, but they expect you to know how to get help for the classes that you have trouble with, okay? So if you're having problems, ask for help. Okay. And then after you finish the first 9 lessons, then I got 2 lessons where I actually code the entire program for you step by step. Okay. So sometimes some students prefer looking at those and then going back and redoing the videos to help them really understand what I was talking about. Okay. Sometimes it's hard understanding how to use it when I'm only given a few lines of code in the original lessons. So when you actually see the entire code, you'll see how it's used together with everything else. Okay? And so that's it. So again, make sure you watch and listen to the lessons. Okay? And then do the homework. And then the lesson reviews. For example, here is lesson 10 and 11. And then you've got your test, okay? So after you do lesson 10 and 11, then you might need to go back and listen and do the other videos again, okay? So your goal is to make sure that you thoroughly understand all these lessons and can do the test well before you move on to the next part, okay? It's going to get a little harder, and there's going to be a lot more programming assignments. Because you're going to need to do programming over and over so that you feel comfortable doing it quickly. Okay? All right. Best of luck to you. All right. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.